what if the heartwarming story behind your favorite heritage boutique turned out to be completely fabricated? That's exactly what I uncovered while researching Nancy Rose Washington, a brand claiming to be founded in 2006 by two sisters sewing timeless pieces in a tiny apartment, building nearly 20 years of craftsmanship into a respected women's label. But the real evidence paints a very different picture. Because the website's domain was only registered recently, leaving an unexplained 18-year gap where this supposedly beloved brand had no visible online footprint, business records, media coverage, or authentic customer history at all, which is a massive red flag for any company claiming long-term legitimacy. Digging deeper showed the storefront follows the identical layout, policies, and marketing structure of dozens of other suspicious Nancy-style boutiques that pop up, disappear, and rebrand rapidly. While the product photos promoted as original designs were traced across multiple Shopify sites using the same stock images with different brand names attached. Customer complaints follow a worrying pattern too, with buyers expecting premium jackets and boots, only to report receiving cheap Chinese knockoffs, or in some cases, nothing at all, followed by an exhausting refund process that requires shipping items back to China at high personal cost, effectively discouraging returns altogether. The emotional sister entrepreneur backstory, countdown sale timers, and polished photography work together perfectly to build trust and urgency. But everything behind the scenes suggests a carefully engineered sales funnel rather than a genuine boutique operation. After pulling together domain records, image usage, site similarities, and complaint trends, the results make it clear this brand's story doesn't match reality. While it presents itself as authentic heritage fashion, the evidence neither confirms a solid long-standing business nor outright proves criminal intent. What it does show is a collection of major warning signs that shoppers should think about carefully before spending a single dollar.